Hi there, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to record a new video about HubSpot landing page tracking. So on HubSpot we will have a form and we will set up the Google Tag Manager on HubSpot landing page. Then we will track the form. Okay. To do it we need a HubSpot account. Then we need landing page. I believe you already have. So let me go to my HubSpot. This is my HubSpot account. And here I have a landing page. Let me go to the content. Then landing page. Yes, in here I have a landing page. This is the landing page. Let me open, and I will open it later, but let me show you the tag manager. This is my tag manager, and this is HubSpot account. So let me show my landing page. In here, view. Okay, this is the landing page where I gonna set up the tag manager and tracking. Okay, and this is the form. Nice. Now I gonna set this tag manager on this landing page. Then we will track the from. Okay, so let me copy the Google Tag Manager tracking script, this one. Then we have to set up it on this landing page. Okay, we have the landing page here, so we have to open this page, then to the setting, then general, then advanced. On advanced we will get two options, the header HTML, then footer HTML. So we have to set up the GTM tracking code under the head. So let me paste it, then close and update. I believe the tag manager is working on this landing page now. So let me open the landing page to test it. So we have to preview, then open in new tab. Okay, this is the landing page. Now I gonna test it using a extension. This is the extension. It is loading. I see the tag manager is already working here, but I also see a Google tag because I have a Google tag set up under the tag manager. You see, this is the Google tag that I have on the landing page. So let me check again. Sorry, it is loading. Okay, see this one and this one is same actually. So now let me view to test the tag. So review. Yes. Okay, it is connecting. It is connected, right? So it means it is working. And let me check the windows loaded. So paste path. This is the paste path. Yes, it means the tag manager is working in this landing page. Great. Now we have to set up this from tracking. To set up the from tracking, we need a listener code to track the from and send the data layer to the tag manager. Okay, so I have a data layer listener code. This is the listener code. I will copy it, then paste it on tag manager. We will add a new tag here. The tag will be custom HTML and we will use the listener code here. Then the trigger will be all pages. Then let me save. This is actually HubSpot from tracking. Okay, then save. Now we will preview again. Okay, it is connected. Now I gonna test the from. Okay, so let me type my name. Zubayer Islam. Now Zubayer pp at gmail, then ppc. I will use my phone number here. So this will be testing. Okay, now let me submit. Great, it is submitted and I see a event comes here. See this one, this is the custom event, the data layer event that I sent. The event name is HubSpot from success. Okay, now I can use this event to set up a trigger. Okay, let me set a trigger. Okay, so it will be a custom event. Okay, so now HubSpot from, then we will need a tag to send the data to Google Analytics. Okay, so I will use this one. Then I will use the measurement ID. We already have a variable. So this is actually from submission GA4 HubSpot from submission. Now we need to add this trigger. Okay, now save, then preview. Nice, it is connected. Now I can test again. So Zubayer is this is also good. Phone number, testing 3, testing 2. Okay, submit. Now I see the event here, and on the event the GA4 tag is firing. Okay, this is the actual measurement ID. Now I can see the data using It tools. Okay, no need to see because I see the data on the tag manager and it is connecting. Nice. Alright, I hope you got all my point, but if you have any question you can comment me, or if you need any help you can knock me on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video.